Hey, welcome guys. Yeah, so this problem is very new that I solved in a contest, and I'm not sure what I solve is not is very good, but I mean that at least can solve it. So given three integers are e, well 1 to 3, and then return a distinct. So distinct is important. Contain all the values that are present at least 2 out of 3. So 1, 1, 3, 2 you get, and 2, 3 you get 3. So you say that 3 is okay because 3 happened 3 times and 2 happened 2 times. Yeah, and also this one, yeah, 1, 2, 3 is both okay, right? Because 1 happened twice, and 2 happened twice, and 3 happened twice. Okay, so this thing is important. So my idea is that I concatenate it and go to and collect into set, right? So this n is all the possible answer, okay? And I take 3 of sets. Actually, I think actually maybe you don't need these 3. And then you go through the n, right? You go through all the possible candidates and set the count to be 0. If you in 1, then you count it once. In 2, I count, and then you in 3 you count. And then you, if it's greater than 2, that means that it greater or equal to 2. It means that at least show out 2 out of 3, right? So if it's greater or equal to 2, then you just append it. Yeah, so this is the answer, and I'm not sure, but you definitely can solve this problem, right? Okay, so see you guys next videos.